Ladies and gentlemen, the wedding is over. It is our last day in Italy. Ben and I are just exploring. It is actually like pouring rain, sunny, and sometimes it's pouring rain while it's sunny. It's kind of confusing. But we're gonna go explore this island, and we're just gonna make the best of a rainy day, and we're gonna have fun. And then maybe later, Ben and I will tell you our favorite parts of the wedding.
Yes. I'm there, I'm down.
He's down. We're gonna make it happen. Give you guys a brief idea, the rain is just coming back and forth, and the main thing I want to do is fly the drone. Like, obviously, whenever you can fly a drone, you always fly a drone. So we're waiting for like a 15-minute pocket, and then once there is a pocket, then found out we gotta buy a ticket. Okay, so we got stopped because we found out we actually needed to buy tickets, but we're back. So my favorite part of the wedding by far was probably this unbelievably gorgeous like orange tree in the back behind the venue. It was spectacular, so let's check out some of that. Okay, I hope you guys like that. So now let's find out what Ben's favorite part of the day was, what his favorite footage was.
Okay, my favorite footage was definitely when we went up to, I guess, where the church was. Just a beautiful overlook of literally the entire city. You had mountains in the background, snow-capped, you had ocean, you had buildings. It was so sick.
He kind of went through the details there, a little bit factual, but yes, it was gorgeous, and we did like silhouettes. There was lens flares, and it was gorgeous. And Jonathan looked amazing, this like super cool olive suit. Anyway, so that's the gist of it, and moving on with the day. Well guys, on that note, Italy is done. It was absolutely amazing, breathtaking, speechless. The couple that we got to shoot the wedding for was just remarkable. Shout out to Mackenzie for being one of the sweetest people ever. Jonathan, you're just like one of the most sincere, kind people ever. It's just so cool to meet both of you. And unbelievable choice for a venue. Like, this whole area is just nuts. I didn't even know. We just found this place today, and this is the last day. I'm kind of bummed I found it in the last day, but seriously guys, it was so much fun. I love what I get to do. I love that I get to tell amazing stories. I love that I get to let you guys follow along when I do these types of vlogs and little videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love all of you. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see more of, let me know what we should be doing more of, and at the very least I think we need to be doing more Europe, because Europe is just amazing. I'm going to leave you guys here to enjoy the view with me, and I'll see you guys when I get back home.